If you live in a small urban home or apartment, there's always a way for you to have a lovely kitchen garden. Here are some delicious dwarf vegetables to grow in small pots. Number 1. Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are one of the most suitable vegetables for containers. You can easily grow them in small to medium-sized containers or hanging baskets. Number 2. Cauliflower. There are wide dwarf cauliflower varieties available that you can grow in pots in your small garden for higher yield. Besides cauliflower, you can also grow other brassicas. Number 3. Baby artichokes. The difference between the full-sized artichokes and the dwarf kind is that the little artichokes actually do not have a choke. You can eat the whole of them if you just peel their external layer of leaves. Number 4. Baby eggplants. You can grow any eggplant variety in containers in a small garden. Go for round mauve eggplant, little finger eggplant, and Casper eggplant for tasty fruits in a little space. Number 5. Dwarf carrots. This type of carrot can be produced all year and are a bit sweet. Select between round, white, or French carrots. If you prefer to eat tender carrots, go for the French ones. Number 6. Green beans. The dwarf French beans haricots verts are very appealing in many European countries. These are thinner and more tender than ordinary green beans and are one of the best mini vegetables to grow in tiny containers. Number 7. Dwarf lettuce. The iceberg, salad bowl, the red royal oak leaf, little gem, and green leaf sorts can be produced year-round and do not require much space, making them an excellent choice for small urban gardens. Number 8. Baby green onion. The dwarfs of the green onion taste like chives and can also be grown all year round. You can easily grow these on a sunny kitchen windowsill too. Number 9. Dwarf avocado. These tiny avocados have no seed. Also called cocktail avocados, they do not require any special gardening skills to be grown and are suitable for container gardening. Number 10. Patty pan squash. Also known as scallop squash, this summer squash variety is reaped when it's between 2 to 4 inches wide. It has a mild flavor like zucchini. Number 11. Miniature bell peppers. Miniature bell peppers are dwarf cultivars that can be grown from seeds. They perform well in pots and can be grown easily on a balcony. Number 12. Colettes. It's a hybrid of kale and Brussels sprouts. Its small floret leaves can be cooked easily or eaten raw. Colettes have a nutty and savory taste that's milder than kale. Number 13. Biquinho yellow pepper. These bright yellow peppers are crispy and sweet with hints of smokiness like poblano. They also make for a lovely ornamental plant. Number 14. Tom thumb peas. This heirloom vegetable grows up to 8 to 12 inches tall and produces full-sized pea pods. It's a non-hybrid plant, so you can save the seeds to plant for the next year. Number 15. Orange hat tomato. This micro-dwarf tomato has a tender skin, mild flavor, and high fragrance. The plant grows up to 6 to 8 inches in height. For best growth, use a 3/4 gallon sized pot. Number 16. Hadu bok choy. This little bok choy grows up to 2 to 3 inches wide and becomes ready to harvest in just 15 to 20 days. You can also grow them in railing planters. Number 17. Tennessee dancing gourd. Also known as the spinning top gourd, it can be an excellent addition to curries and stir-fry recipes. You can easily grow it in medium to small pots. Number 18. Greek dwarf basil. This variety was introduced in 2020 during the lockdown. It has an intense, savory flavor, which makes it an excellent addition to garnishing dishes. Number 19. Dwarf blue curled Vates kale. This compact heirloom plant offers tightly packed heads with curly, crinkled blue-green leaves. You can grow it as a spring or a fall crop. Number 20. Tokinashi Turnip. Tokinashi Turnip is a cold, hardy variety with a crisp, smooth, and sweet taste. For best growth, ensure it gets 4 to 5 hours of sunlight daily. Number 21. Picolino Cucumber. This snacking cucumber has thin, glossy, dark green skin. It can be harvested once grown up to 4 to 5 inches tall. It's one of the best mini vegetables to grow in tiny containers. Number 22. Jack Be Little pumpkins. Jack Be Little pumpkins are compact miniature pumpkins with a rich citrus taste that becomes intense in sweetness when roasted or baked. Number 23. Chinese broccoli. This variety of sprouting broccoli is easier to grow and takes less room. Grow it from seed in winter in mild climates. Number 24. Thai lavender frog eggplant. This miniature heirloom produces 1 to 3 inch long vegetables. Toss them in curry, soups, or stir-fries for the best taste. Number 25. Tennis Ball Lettuce. Tennis ball lettuce is a bib-type variety with light green leaves in a tennis ball shape. Plant it in medium-sized pots and provide ample sunlight. Number 26. Ivory Gourd. This vining plant will be more than happy to dwell in a 6 to 8 inch pot. Just make sure you use well-draining soil, provide ample sunlight, and give it support. Number 27. Cucamelon. If you're a salad fan, growing cucamelon is one of the best ways to enjoy it fresh on the platter. A little sunny space on a balcony and a medium-sized pot are all you need. Number 28. Kiwano. Also popular as African horned cucumber and jelly melon, it tastes excellent when ripe, and you can also use it to make jams. A small pot with a cage or trellis is all you need to grow it. Which vegetables are you growing in pots? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe.